Hey y'all, Coach Felix here. I want to show you really quickly, hopefully in under a minute, how you can pixelate yourself so that no one can actually see you while you're working out. So this should eliminate all excuses for being able to complete these videos because we literally cannot make out any part of your body. Okay, so this is how you do it. You should go to the filters option. So click effects first. That's the first option. After you click effects, you go to filters. Once you get into filters, there's two different filters that you should use if you fall into this category of someone that like doesn't want to be seen on camera. You should use the bricks option or you can use the pixel option. So either one of these options right here is going to make your movement visible, but obviously you can't really even see that it's me that's on this screen right here. So this is a good option for you if you're one of those folks that are worried about like me seeing you exercising or like another student. Use this option so that you can get your physical activity in and still earn your participation grade. All right, reach out to me with any questions on this.